Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp username on iPhone or Android. So WhatsApp has introduced usernames. It gives you a new way to connect with people without sharing your phone number. Instead of giving someone your mobile number, you can share your unique username. This will add an extra layer of privacy because people who don't already have your phone number can connect you using your username. And keep in mind that this feature is being rolled out gradually, so if you don't see it yet, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp and wait until it becomes available for your account. So if you would like to set up your WhatsApp username, here's what you need to do. First, open WhatsApp, and if you're using an iPhone, then switch to U tab, and if you're an Android user, then click on the three dot at the top right corner and then choose settings when the menu prompt. Now click on this pencil icon and here tap username if the feature is available for your account. Now here you will see the window that lets you know everything about usernames on WhatsApp. So if you have previously connected your Instagram or Facebook account with WhatsApp, then you can set WhatsApp username just by clicking on use Instagram username and use Facebook username. And you can simply reserve your Instagram or Facebook username on WhatsApp too just by a click. But if you want to create a custom username, then click on create username, and now here in the text field you need to enter the username you'd like to use. WhatsApp will automatically check whether it's available or not, and if the username is already taken or doesn't meet WhatsApp requirements, you'll need to choose a different one. And once you find the available username, tap on the save button, and that's it. As you can see, I have successfully reserved the username. So finally click on done button, and that's it. From here, in future, if you want to edit your username, you can click on edit and choose change username, and here you can also change username in future if required. Also, you can choose who can contact you by your username. You can choose everyone or people who know my key. So if you choose this option, you manually need to share the unique key to the person, and then only they can connect with you using your username. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.